Hello and welcome to Career Planning Counseling 13 class. My name is Kim Nguyen. I'll be your instructor. And hopefully by the end of this course, you'll be able to find a career or major that will fit you. A little bit about myself, that I am married with 4 children, 3 boys and 1 girl. During my free time, I usually love to watch movies, sing karaoke, and my favorite sport is badminton. I received my bachelor in childhood and adolescent development and my master in counseling at San Jose State University. I did my internship at Evergreen Valley College as an EOP&S counselor for almost 2 years, but I didn't get the job offer due to the school budget cut. And ended up working for the Santa Clara Family Health Plan for more than 5 years. It's a nonprofit organization, but because of the passion of love teaching, that I love counseling, so I'm back and working for Evergreen Valley College. I started also with as a counselor for the EOP&S program. And now I'm currently a general counselor and a non-credit counselor, and as well as teaching a career planning course. If you have any question or concern, I know this is an online course, but please contact me anytime you need to through the Canvas email, and I'll try to get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. And again, welcome to my Career Planning Counseling 13 class.